What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to find out your PIN on Bank of America card, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So unfortunately, for security reasons, your PIN for your Bank of America debit card is not typically viewable online or retrievable through the bank's website. However, you have a few options to obtain or reset your PIN. So the first one is visiting a Bank of America ATM. So you need to insert your debit card into a Bank of America ATM and follow the on-screen instructions to create or change your PIN, which will probably have some personal info for the security. Then, of course, you can contact customer support, call the Bank of America customer service at a number on the back of your debit card or on your account statement. Follow the automated prompts or speak with a representative to request a PYN reset. Then the last step is, of course, visiting a Bank of America branch, which is I recommend this one because it's the most secure. So visit a local Bank of America branch and request assistance from a bank representative. They can help you with a PIN reset or provide guidance on appropriate steps. Always remember to keep your PIN confidential and do not share it with anyone. If you suspect unauthorized activity or need immediate assistance, contact Bank of America customer service as soon as possible. So guys, basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future ones. Goodbye.